Well, my 3 Santa outfit is done. I'm gonna make one more for my daughter. So this is for me, for Dana, and for Marian. Yes, and today is Thursday, November 21, 2025. Alright, and this is my small sewing machine. I'm gonna make some more Santa Claus, a different design. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.